The first look poster for the upcoming Malayalam film White starring Mammootty and Huma Qureshi is out. Mammootty and Huma Qureshi are seen in a romantic pose in the poster. Mammootty is one of the actors who can romance actresses who are much younger than him. He doesn't make the audience to feel awkward, and that's the best part about his on-screen charm. Even in his latest release, Puthiya Niyamam, in which he stars alongside Nayanthara, has done a great job. White has mostly been shot in Budapest and London, so there's an international glow to this film. We have to wait a little longer to watch the trailer, but that's really fine because we know that White is going to be an awesome for sure. Till then, you have a look at the poster and drop in your comments below by saying how much you love the poster. And do subscribe to YouTube/Leharimalayalam for more such latest gossips and updates.